20 technologies that changed the automobile. Fascinating display here at the Gilmore Museum. Let me try to go through these quickly. Start with seat belts, 1959. That's for the three-point harness. Niels Brolin. Um, Interchangeable parts. Before that, one part wouldn't do another. You had to file it down and fit it. You need to have parts that you could just pop right on and go from one car to another. Adjustable steering column, the early 1900s. This one, telescopic steering, was available in 1949 Jaguar XK120. Instrument gauges. The first, this one said speedometers in cars in the 1910s. Coil spring. Now, that was invented in 1769. Wasn't made from steel until 1857. The 1906 Brush Runabout was the first car to have front coil springs. And then we have ignition systems. 1910, Charles Kettering, huge advancements there. And then the alternator, big difference there over the earlier generator, because when you were stopped, you would have the ability to keep charging if you're like in traffic. Otherwise, your battery could go. And those with the older cars know that. A lot of people upgrade to alternators. Car radio, 1930. So you have the speaker. That might be down low by the floor. You'd kind of hide it. And up near the steering column, you might have this a Philco. So you could adjust for the station on and off volume there. Horns, yeah, that's necessary. Trunks. Back when, we call it a trunk, it's not a trunk. In the 30s, 20s, it was a trunk on the back of your car. Electric starter in 1912, game changer, because it really made cars easier to start than hand cranking and really stopped the growth of electric and steam cars. Lead acid battery, stainless steel, 1913 it says. And Ford even made stainless steel cars in the 30s, and then later I have videos on those. And then tires with air instead of hard rubber made the ride a lot smoother. Laminated glass. Now this is 1919, implemented by Henry Ford then. I think of that as coming up with the Model A, where the windshield, 1928 models, were made of laminated glass. Big difference for safety. And then electric headlamps. 1898 Columbia was the first car with electric headlamps. So you could just click them on rather than lighting a lamp. So great display of 20 things. And I agree with the list, but you can go in the comments and tell me if they missed something.